Our garlic and our cilantro is cut, so we're going to drop them in and let them saute. Then we're going to go ahead and measure out a cup of rice. So whenever you're measuring something like this, it's best to do it right over what you're going to pour it into, in case you, spill some, then you didn't waste any. So you can see there's still a little bit of rice in here. When we pour our veggie stock in, we're going to pour it right back into here, and that should clean out the rest of our rice. So we're going to move this around so it's toasted. You can do this anywhere from 30 seconds to a minute or so, because you don't want the rice to burn, but once your oil seems to have been mixed all in with the rice, you want to take your veggie stock you can see that took the rice out, and add this until it boils. And then again, you can see the vegetable stock doesn't break down all the way, so you can go ahead and add that if you'd like, and then give it a stir to try and incorporate it for that extra flavor.